You hear this sound and you know it's that time of year again. I'm Captain Andy Miller with the Salvation Army, and I want to encourage you to volunteer to ring bells with us this season. If you were to take the number of days we have to ring and multiply it times the number of locations we have thousands of opportunities for you to ring bells with the Salvation Army in our community. This gives us an amazing opportunity to raise funds to support the mission of the Salvation Army right here in our community. Here's the challenge though, is that if we do not stand there and if we don't ring, people won't be able to give. So why not stand out there and help us ring bells for the Salvation Army? You could maybe get together with your church group, maybe it could be your business, maybe it could be your family. You could take time where you could even go right now after you get done with this message and take a look at your calendar, maybe on your phone, and pick a day, a Friday or Saturday or some day where you could come and ring bells with us. We need this so that we can accomplish our mission, which is to preach the gospel of Jesus Christ and meet human needs in His name without discrimination. And you can help us accomplish that because we know, just think of the people who want to give to the Salvation Army, but they don't because there's not somebody there volunteering. So you can be somebody who can help us with that. So do it now. As soon as this message is over, get your group together so that you can help us do the most good.